Hey there. So the problem that I got for this one looks like this. So in order to integrate it, I'm going to write it like this. 9 times. The cube root is the 1/3 power, and since it's in the denominator, I'll make the exponent negative. So it looks like this. This is improper because the function doesn't exist when x is equal to 1. So that's why it's improper. So the 1 is the bound on the integral that has to go. So we'll replace it with an a, and we'll say as a goes to 1, the integral will be from a to 9. 9 times x minus 1 to the negative 1/3. And if you wanted to make u equal to x minus 1 here, then du and dx are the same thing, which basically tells me that I can treat x minus 1 like a variable. So when I integrate, I'll use the power rule and just add 1 to negative 1/3. So I get positive 2/3. So let me start writing this down. The limit as a goes to 1 of, here's the 9. Where should I put it? Here's the 9. Here's the x minus 1 to the, what did I say, 2/3. And then remember, we need the reciprocal of this as a coefficient. So we'll have a 3/2 out here. And we need to evaluate this between a and 9. So plugging in those pieces, the limit as a goes to 1, that'll be 27/2, right? 27/2 of 9 minus 1 to the 2/3 minus 27/2 of a minus 1 to the 2/3. 9 minus 1 is 8, so 27/2 of 8 to the 2/3 minus 27/2. So the easiest way to determine the value of a limit is just to plug in the number. So if this thing is continuous at a is equal to 1, then the value of the limit is the same thing as the value of the function. And we can do that here, right? Because there isn't anything. So when we make a equal to 1, we have 1 minus 1 here. And 1 minus 1 is 0. And can we take 0 to the 2/3 power? Sure, that's just taking the cube root and then squaring it, and we can do that. So this whole part here is equal to 0, and the value of the limit is just what we get here. You can punch this into a calculator if you want to, but this means that the cube root of 8 is 2, and then the 2 up here means to square it. So we have 2 squared, which is 4. So we have 27/2 times 4, which is 54 halves. That's it.